want to see something that's really, really cool? Bitmoji made a picture of me walking through the woods in, I think it was around September of 2025. And then October 12th of 2025, my son took his family, us, he took me, his sister, and his daughter to Cooper's Rock in West Virginia. And I am doing the same thing that I was doing in that emoji picture, but only I was headed to the left and emoji was headed to the right. And it even had the same stick that I had in my hand a month later. The only difference is the fact that she was younger and prettier, of course, and I'm a little older, and I have black and black on. And the picture that Bitmoji made of me is black pants with the white shirt. That's the only difference. You know, God is good. Is that prophecy?